Hello NEET aspirants, my name is Deepanshu Rajput and I secure the 640 marks in NEET 2024. Today it is extremely wonderful class. In this class we are going to discuss how to do tukka technique, how to do fluid technique. So in this class we have only 5 points. If you follow these 5 points, your fluid यानी कि आपका तुक्का बिल्कुल सही लगेगा. So we are going to discuss tukka technique. So this class is only for the NEET 2025 aspirants because we have only 10 to 15 days remains to the NEET 2025 examination. The NEET 2025 examination was established in the 4 May. So that's why we are going to discuss this technique. This technique is only for the increase your marks 20 to 30 marks increase your NEET 2025. So we are using this technique. OMR psychology. So first of all we have understand what is the OMR psychology of the examiner. So we can do tukka first of all. So we can understand what is the OMR psychology of the examiner. The second technique is that elimination technique. Elimination technique. What will be the asked to the elimination technique? This technique is asked from us. We have let's take an example. We have a question number 1, and this question are given us 4 options. Option A, B, and C and D. This question asks from gives 4 options A, B, C, and D. But we have already know about B, A, and D option. There will be nothing. In any situation, there will be no answer. So we will cut down these 2 options. We have remains only 2 options. And now we understand. We have take a fluid in those options. So first B and second, the third option is C. So C option is right and B option is right. The 50% question percentage, 50% probability will be right and wrong. So we have used only elimination technique. This is called as the elimination technique. Tukka trick में elimination technique plays a very important role. And the odd one out. This point is very important. Odd one out. Odd one out technique. What we ask to us? The odd one out technique. This technique is going to discuss. This technique is odd one out. The question number 2. We will take example of question number 2. In this question, what will there will be something a statement. There will be something a statement, and option will be given to us A, B, C, and D. We have 4 examples, 4 options of the question, but we have know about A, B, and C. But I didn't see this question in our whole preparation, so this question is not in our answer. This is odd one out. So we will cut down this option. We have thinking about only 3 options. So A, B, and C. So there will be a question. That is known as the odd one out technique. And the 4th option is that the 4th point is that you need to score 600 plus in NEET examination. So all of above. This point is also applicable in NEET examination. All of above and none of above. Those options will write. If I talk about the NEET examination also, it applicable for the boards. Odd one out, all of those. Trust your mind. Trust your mind question. This point is also extremely important for your NEET examination, NEET 2025 examination. To trust your brain. In this technique, we have let's example of question number 3. Question number 3. In this question related with a statement, we have take a statement and option given A, B, and C and D. So in this options, when we are read the statement and we have see this options, option number A, B, and C. But if I thinking about a subconscious brain, so brain is answer gives to the C option. So there will be most of the chances. There will be 80 to 90% of the chances that question will be right then. So this question will be right if you are thinking about it. Trust your brain. If you are thinking about it, subconscious brain. So trust your brain. It's the extremely wonderful technique. If I talk about the NEET 2025 aspirants, don't select A and D option. If I talk about a NEET 2025, if I talk about NEET 2024 and 3 and 2. So this technique is also applicable for fluid technique. Fluid technique, FLUK, fluid technique. Fluid trick भी बोल सकते हैं इसको, fluid trick. Fluid trick. So fluid trick, in this fluid trick we didn't select the A and D option. So this technique, this is all of them, the technique called as the fluid technique. OMR psychology, elimination technique, odd one out, all of above and none of above. Trust your brain, don't select A and D. So this is all 5 points. If you follow these 5 points, you will definitely secure 650, also 700 plus marks. If you want to score only 10 to 20 marks, increasing your physics, chemistry and also biology, you can use them, all the tricks. You will definitely secure and will definitely get a selection in MBBS, and also you will clear the National Eligibility Government Test in India. Thank you for watching this video, and we will meet soon.